Hello and welcome. Yeah, man, I'm Cali Ranks, and welcome to my channel. Today, I want to share a little bit about my 5 top collabs or collaborations that I did with artists, during my career. If you don't know a little history about me, I was born in Jamaica, Jubilee Hospital, raised in St. Andrew a little bit, and then in Kingston, St. Andrew a little bit, and then Portmore, Westport. All right, so I got signed to Def Jam in the 90s, the golden era, the time of, the golden era age of hip hop, by this lady right here, Miss Drew Dixon. Now, if you don't know who Miss Drew Dixon is,
one of the tasks I was given to do was to type the credits for Method Man's first album, Takao.
Yes.
But I'm also listening to the album just to make sure that it matches what I have in the paper. One of the interludes was, Shorty, I'm there for you anytime you need me, for real, girls, me in your world, believe me.
Nothing make a man
Feel better than a woman, clean with a crown, that be down for whatever. And I'm like, what is that? I was like, this is beautiful. This is the most loving, romantic, selfless, touching thing I have ever heard a young black man say in the vocabulary of hip hop. And I was obsessed with it. And I called Russell and tried to get him to give me the opportunity to turn it into a song.
Yeah.
He was like, it's on the calendar. Like, we can't hold the album to make another record. Like, there's no reason to believe Method Man even wants it to be a record. Like, this is just your idea. Like, bless. Like, no, we can't do it.
So this is the lady that eventually linked me to Lauryn Hill. You know what I mean? And the first collab I want to mention is with Miss Hill. A perfect match. There's about 4-part versions to this song. 3 has been released on my Living Legends album. 1 I have left to release, which is coming probably this year. My old classic music. Yeah, this was an honor to work with this queen right here, 8-time Grammy winner, you know what I mean? Yeah. So that's my #1 collaboration artist right there. Not necessarily the best artist, but the first one to be mentioned. And now the next one in line that I want to mention is Onyx. Former label mates on Def Jam, and if you know anything about my music, the Kill Them All video, Fredro Starr featured in that video. You know what I mean? These boys from Queens, man, hip hop legends. I was also on the B-side. My Kill Them All was also on the B-side of Live Knuckles. From John Master J, you know what I mean? R.I.P. to Jay. Jay did that for me. Walking down the hallway in Def Jam one day, he just called me like, yo man, this is dope, I want to put it here. So my #3, Mr. Brown himself, of course, the legend. You know what I mean? I'm not friends with Chris per se, but through good business dealing connects, I managed to purchase, you know what I mean, a track with Mr. Brown, and it's one of my biggest tracks so far. Yeah, and then Black Rob, man, #4. R.I.P. to my brother, you know what I mean? Everybody know this legend right here if you're a hip hop head. Representing Spanish Harlem full top. Of course, there's a lot of stories around all these songs, you know what I mean, that I've done. If you want to go check them out, they're on this page on YouTube. I'll do another video later, you know what I mean, with the songs themselves, but I just want to introduce you, not introduce you, but kind of highlight the artists that I worked with, you know what I mean, because I work with a lot of legends, and there's a lot more, but this is my top 5. You know what I mean? Put in work. R.I.P. to my bro, man. And last but not least, my brother from another mother. Of course, everybody know we mad tight. You know what I mean? I speak to this man's mom, so that's how tight we are. Yeah. Probably one of the best to ever do it, man. Lyricist wise. Canibus. Yeah, man. That's my top 5 artists, man, that I've, you know what I mean, that I've worked with. And of course, honorable mention, you know what I mean. I've worked with a lot of artists, but these 5 right here I wanted to mention, man, because you gotta go check out the songs I have with them. Wicked tunes. Yeah, so just a little bit of something, you know what I mean? Familiarize you with who Canibus is and who I've worked with and so on and so forth. I'm saying self-praise is no recommendation. It's hard for me to really push myself as, you know, in people's faces, but, you know, I don't mind highlighting other artists and stuff like that because love is love, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, go check out the music, man. Much love and respect. And thank you. Like and subscribe. Big up.